Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, but what we'll be doing here actually we'll work on Lincoln MKX as well, guys. We'll show you if you need to remove and replace the door lock cylinder on your car, guys. We'll show you how to do that. I'm talking about the lock on the door that you insert the key and lock and unlock the car. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That's all we need in return. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there, guys, for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the parts and tools from. Now, this is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on, but on Lincoln MKX the procedure, guys, should be the same. I'm talking about that door lock cylinder, okay, right here. That's what we're going to, okay, show you how to remove, okay, and how to replace, guys. Not very complicated at all, but what we need to do now, okay, pretty simple, guys. Let us show you guys what we'll be doing. You need to go ahead, okay, open the door and follow that cap, okay, right here. We need to go ahead and pull that cap out, that rubber cap, guys. On the inside we have one bolt that we're going to get loose now. Okay, let me explain to you. We are going to, guys, okay, let me show you now. We'll be using Torx 20 star looking bit, okay, just trying to focus here, and you go right here, find it, okay, I don't think I'm inside, okay, right there, start getting it loose, guys. Okay, you start turning by hand, okay, and I'll get the key out. Now at one point that thing will get loose. That's it, enough. So now open the door handle a little bit. Careful not to slide the handle towards the back, because if you do it will get loose, and later you may need to open the door panel or reach through here actually to reconnect the handle, because you need to push the mechanism down and then slide the handle, guys. We have a video about the door handle mechanism assembly, removal and replacement, so check it out. And if you accidentally pull the handle, we'll explain how to reconnect it. Now, this is, guys, the door lock cylinder. What do you do now? Pretty simple, guys. You grab it with the key now. Okay, grab it with your key and pull it out. You can see how easy that thing was, right? It didn't take much time at all. And this is it. When you're ready to install it, all you have to do, install everything in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.